फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. एक्चुअली आज मैंने कुछ चीज़ सर्च आउट करा. आई एम मी एंड पर्सनली फॉर सी दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी आफ्टर 2 years to start the English speaking, to stand the mirror side, yeah, stand the camera side to talk. And my mind said many time to think कि इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए तो हमें बहुत सारा वर्ड की नीड पड़ेगी. आई हैव मोर देन वर्ड फॉर लर्न then you speak for another people's. But today I search for the chat gpt to to explain the India side. फर्स्ट इज़ कि अगर आपको इंग्लिश बोलना है तो आपको 2 लाख 20 lakh you will learn 2 word, then you speak in English to fluently. But I am belong for India, but India side just only for 200 to 300 word to learn, like me should have it another that should can 200 words only for learn. Then you speak in English to 80%, not 100% to understood, 100% to speak to fluently, but 80% you almost for telling to each other to connect, in my opinions. Because I'm a engineer, right? So my question is, I'm not a teacher. I'm not expert to correct one meanings, correct one verb, correct one nouns, correct one adjusted noun. No, the reason being only anyone people to stand me and communicate to each other to understood, just only for me. मैं तो इसलिए ही नहीं सीख रहा हूँ कि मैं किसी के साथ बोल पाऊँ और उसके बाद मैं समझ पाऊँ, राइट? तो टुडे एज फाइनली टू अंडरस्टूड आई एम नॉट ओवर थिंकिंग, क्योंकि मैं पढ़ता था कि भाई मेरे को अभी तक तो नहीं आया इंग्लिश, 2 साल कंप्लीट हो गए. बट आया, आई एम अंडरस्टूड कि दैट मीन्स तो समथिंग फॉर चेंजिंग इन माई लाइफ, समथिंग फॉर चेंजिंग फॉर द कम्युनिकेट फॉर अनदर पीपल्स, अंडरस्टूड for me. And I'm prepared for learn for 200 meanings. Then you will try to every day to use like anyone people to communicate. But that time I'm living in Saudi Arabia. This country should be very good country to improve in my English, because their side no anyone people for the communicate like Saudi. Basic language is Arabic, and my room side something in Hindi, Bhojpuri, Bengali, like different speaking in our in our mother language, in our basic country language to speak. But my should be thing for me. Uh, be every people for changing some moment to try to change in your personal life, change in your communicate the life. They have very important. Uh, I'm first time to go in the college, Gandhi Engineering College. I'm not a pro and 10th class. I'm not any knowledge. English, I'm totally boring. I'm not interest for English. But I have go to the college, and the college side totally change the subject and change the language and change the writing language almost in English. So I am not understood for 1 years 8 months, then listen to try. No, I am definitely for changing. This purpose is not a good. I try to solve this problem, then I am growing, and I have definitely for achieve and growing. But that time to come in here to useless, I feel I useless for uh, after 2 year 3 year ago to facing more problem and facing the more educations. But this time I'm not any at work. I try to share the all feedback in comment sites, but a little try. I definitely for one day to changing a life. But I am one thing, everyone people for changing something for life, you will try to record and watch improperly. You have definitely for one day to change in your personal life and change your future life. They have definitely, because you have completed for 10 to 20 years. I think for what are you doing for me? What are you doing for you? But you already recording the video. Then you see and you feel is very good, and then solve. So lesson to try in your thoughts to every time recording video, change your communications, and you will try to be clear all the things. I definitely for one day achieve all these things, but I should try. And I here and 2 years I have completed for 3 months, just only for 20 months. And here then you go to India, and I'm not next time to come in any abroad country. No, because abroad country more satisfy, more sacrifices, like not properly walking everywhere, not go to each other to connect, just only for sit in room, only work time to go on any work location side. But India side, any every state side to go, every side to go and stop to talk, learn, speak, see that. But their side, no, you have money problem, money sacrifices in their side. The main motive is coming to Saudi Arabia, yeah, any abroad country. The reason being is better salary, better money, this type to the hope, and coming to their side the peoples. But India this time is very good country, and you grow GDP. I am also be watching the my school times friends. You stay in India and very good salary to earn for this time. The salary almost, why I'm not say explain your salary, how much salary, but you good. And I am here is come, and maybe I have good think and changing for life. I try, but their side is more learn, and I definitely anyone abroad country come 6 months, 1 years. I feel you to your mind side many time to think I'm going to abroad. I'm very big rich man's. This type of thinking and middle class family to student, yeah, family, middle class family, you go abroad and settle in your life. But the reality is totally different. After your 20-30 years, I will 100% agree, you change your life. But this time more competition, right? More competition. Many of the people who come in here very less salary, or after 20-30 years ago, the people is coming more better salary, better facility, better company response. But this time not company response properly, not properly guided, not properly provide accommodations. It's very low accommodation to provide. Actually I'm here which this location, this type, I feel this type of the locations, not any good cities, and totally forest area, I feel is not good to me. Also we try, I'm not come to any abroad country for next time. I try to settle in India, as does not matter how many how much salary to provide a company. You change for in my life, a change for your mind. I definitely want to change all these things. So be carefully you, and not think for worry. You stay in India, and you change in your communication skill is very important. You change for you in your personal life, you change for in your mindset. The first step to everyone to do, change in your communicate your skills. They have definitely companies provide to good salary. The first in everyone to Indian peoples to things, change in your communications, change your skills. Okay, not only one skill to earn more money. No, you have almost 4 2 and 3 skills to learn. I definitely earn to more money, better money. So this video to guidance for you, and guidance for my past, guidance for my present, and you communicate in each other to everyone. अंडरस्टूड, मैं समझ, मैं आई एम ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड. मुझे ये तो समझ आ गया कि मुझे अगर इंग्लिश सीखना है तो मुझे जस्ट ओनली फॉर 200-300 वर्ड टू लर्न. आई डेफिनेटली फॉर कम्युनिकेट इन एवरी इंडियन साइड टू स्टेट. तो मुझे तो वही चाहिए था, और मुझे समझ वो आ गया. So wouldn't start, learn, and you for enter the video and shoot. Definitely one is changing. Okay, so all the best watching this video. Goodbye, take care.